Welcome to another Makina Stuff feature. This time, dayo tayo ng China sa Guangzhou to check out one of the fastest growing moto gear brands sa bansa. Kilalanin pa natin lalo ang Benkia riding gear. Nagsimula ang Benkia at the turn of the century, early 2000s. Piruin mo yun? And from there, a success story unfolded. Fast forward 2017, nagka-presence na sila sa Pilipinas, care of Casco Market. Today, available na ang Benkia across Asia. And now, meron din sila mga plans to be present sa Amerika at sa Europa. So, special treat tayo at ang napuntahan natin mismo ay yung headquarters nila kung saan sila gumagawa ng mga prototype at kung saan sila nagbe-brainstorm at nagka-come up ng mga new designs. Bira makakita ng ganyan, usually ang hinaharap lang nila showroom at factory. Eto, pati yung design room, pinakita na rin nila.
First thing you see here as you enter, of course, is this fish. There's another one here na natutulog. Sa kanila, syempre, swerte yan. So this is their main office. If you can see that guy over there in red, he's the big boss. Hi! So these guys are also part of the team. These are the top executives, family run too. This is the missus. Hi!
Hi, 你好.
你好. 你很漂亮?
No.
No.
一般般.
Motorkada, hello. Sarah, how are you?
Hi.
Husband-wife tandem of Casco Marketing, of course. They are discussing mga buhay-buhay, mga negosyo. Yan, makikinig po tayo. Okay. Yun na yun.
Nagko-computer na.
Oo.
Nagko-computer.
Tumatawad na sila. This is the showroom where they develop some of the stuff. Some of the things I want to show you na ilalabas nila soon is going to be the Mocha Knight, also by Benkia, same manufacturer. So it's like an offshoot.
Doon sa main office nila makita yung mga samot-saring riding gear na kaya nilang gawin. Meron silang mga riding jackets for adventure, racing, pang daily everyday riding, pang off-road, all genres, kompleto sila. Meron din silang mga rain jackets, meron din silang boots for all riding styles, meron silang gloves, balaclavas, and pads. And take note ha, yung pads nila ay rated for safety, hindi lang yung basta-basta nilagyan ng kutsyon na manipis.
It's a vest na magde-deploy ng hangin pag
Air
ikaw
vest,
ay ma-aksidente. Air vest, ika nga.
Last year, halos sa lahat ng moto features natin, pati yung mga international travels natin, lagi kong gamit yung mesh na Benkia. Natuwa ako doon dahil sa trademark ng Benkia na kaya nalang gumawa ng jacket na magaang at presko without compromising safety. Naging favorite jacket ko yun noong 2023. Sa paggawa ng ibang items, we see na handmade sila. Dumayo tayo sa kabilang building para makita ito lahat. Ang Benkia, seryoso din sa racing, which is good. Pumunta tayo sa racetrack nila sa Guangzhou, about 2 hours away from the city. Doon makikita natin yung mga racers suot nila Benkia. Lakas din makasuporta sa racing scene ang Benkia. Ang ganda ng programa ng China para sa mga bata for racing. As young as 6 to 7 years old, pinapakarera na nila. And syempre, andyan ang Benkia to support. Very informative yung trip, I must say, and nakakatuwang makita mag-flourish ang isang brand at makakita ng success story unfold sa bansa natin, especially through the management sa kumpanyang nagdala ng Benkia sa bansa natin, ang Casco Market. Kasama natin po sila at ang dala nilang discount para sa inyong lahat sa Makina Moto Bazaar, a Moto Changge experience up to 70% off on selected items tayo dyan. Plus, meron tayong test ride consortium with over 75 bikes you can try. Again, October 19 and 20 sa Bridgetown Destination Pasig. Again, thank you so much Casco Market and Benkia for the experience. Very insightful indeed. More power to you guys and keep on making proper riding gear. This is Zach from Makina Stuff. Ciao!
The coats were up around.
to rock around.